Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix post getting removed on Reddit. Now this is, by the way, a very common problem, especially if you just created your Reddit account. So what I will recommend you to do is you want to click on your profile in the top right, okay? And then you want to click on view profile. Now first you want to check here your karma. Now if it's below 4, that's probably the reason why you have this problem, okay? So like your karma level is likely keeping you out from where you wish to post. So it's best to earn karma in communities with no to low karma restrictions. Now what you need to do is to try to earn karma in in communities with no karma restrictions, okay? So that you will be able to post without the sub restrictions, because some communities have restrictions and your post will get removed if you have low karma level. So what I recommend you is don't rush to post or comment. Just look at subreddit roles and then read the top posts or comments to get a feel for that subreddit. How does it sway in for example, if there are any roles, you will be able to see it in the top of the subreddit, okay? You can see that. So also, if your post has any suspicious links, any bad language, or topics that will trigger a spam filter, you want to try to remove to not do that next time, because Reddit has a radar, so it sees everything you do on Reddit. So just make sure you don't add any links, okay, or spammy content. Just check your post for any suspicious links, okay? Also the age, you can check if you are below 18, you will have this problem, okay? It's probably related to age. You will also get the reason why your post got removed, okay? If your post got removed, you can just click on notifications, and then you will be able to see exactly why your post was removed, and then you can try to improve next time, okay? That's all you need to do, because for Reddit to prevent spammers, there is a limit to how often Redditors can post and comment in a community. So if you are a brand new to Reddit or don't have a lot of karma yet, you may be hitting this spam filter. That's sensitive to spammers, you may be hitting this filter. So just try to see exactly what's the reason. In the top right, you can see this open box notifications filter, notifications icon here in the top right, and then you will be able to see here the reason why your post got removed. Now I made this video before, and someone said they ended up permanently shadow banning me without telling me. All posts I told deleted comments will post, but nobody can see them. I think it's because I submitted a question to a popular sub and the mods reported me to headquarters. Nothing offensive, and still they get permanently shadow. This guy got shadow banned by Reddit for no reason. So this happens from time to time. So what I recommend is to check the roles of any subreddit and also check the notifications in the top to see exactly what's happening with your Reddit account. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.